Paul Mobile Car Wash and Detail. Y'all see what's going on with me. We just hooked up the parade truck all the way up with a full gloss detail, man. And this sucker shining too, man. It's gonna be in the classic parade tomorrow. So if you guys see this truck going down the streets of Birmingham tomorrow in the parade, you'll know the High Gloss boss put his touch on this bad boy truck. So if you guys need something like this, call me on this big boy 18 wheeler. Y'all know what's up with me. King Boys call me every year for their parades or whatever events he have. So just know, when you're dealing with me, you're gonna get that high gloss shine, guaranteed. I'm just walking all the way around and see y'all can see that it's guaranteed. So make sure you be looking out here for that detail tomorrow. If you guys are at the parade tomorrow, you know what's up with me. Full detail here.